I said that earlier.
Okay.
I did. Kasi, yun nga, there's a lot of stuff out there about me na, I think some people who are close to me know that aren't true. So the public perception and the role, baka mag-blur yung line na yun. Pero yun nga, because of the project, sabi ko, why would I, parang sinabi ni Angelica kanina, why would you deny a project na panghihinayangan mo? It's a really good story. And my character is like a piece of like the opposite side of Celine's pain na kailangan siya for the story na panghihinayangan ko. So if I let my fear, my own fear, parang stop myself from being part of a project like this, mas feeling ko mananaig yung panghihinayang kaysa yung sa takot na yun na, siguro isipin nila, ganyan ba siya sa totoong buhay, yung si Stephen tsaka si Tom, isa ba? I had to separate that because I know for myself and my loved ones that that's not the truth. This is a role, and it's a beautiful story, and I was very excited to take it on.
I'm sorry about that. May nagsasabi, annulment daw kasi it's so expensive, di ba? Actually, may mga kilala kong mga naghihiwalay. Ayaw nilang naghihintayan sila para magpa-annul kasi it's so expensive.
Hindi nga lang sa expensive eh. I think that's one aspect of it. Pero knowing a lot of people who have also gone through the process, andun yung sometimes the lengths and the extent na kailangan yung puntahan on both sides na parang andun na yung sisiran sa isa't isa, like to get, kasi minsan yung requirements for annulment are very steep. It's ano talaga eh, na andun na kayo sa nawawala na yung essence, nakakalimutan nyo na kung ano yung pinanggalingan nyo before. Maybe some of the stories, like it changes yung landscape from both ends, and it becomes very ugly. And let's just face it, that's a reality of a lot of annulments. It turns to that point. Kaya nga for me, I said earlier na I feel very fortunate na I had that option for divorce. Na within weeks, at least I had to live. I had to go for my own process. I had to go to Nevada na no contest siya na state, walang cooling off period. Doon mabilis. So I had to live there for a while. I'm very thankful na I was allowed that opportunity. Kaya nga sana for other people din here sa Philippines, hopefully one day they would also be afforded that same right and that option.
Bongga, di ba? At least nag-stay ka sa Nevada. Naging blessing sa'yo. Doon mo na-meet.
Kung hindi ako napunta doon, hindi ako napadpad doon, I wouldn't be where I am now and I wouldn't have what I have.
Wala yung baby.
Lahat yun talaga. I really feel like you have to go through, the only way out of some situations is to finish it and to go through it. And in this film, that's parang on point siya, na even in this film, their characters have to go through something to get through it and to start something new.